Breaking news, a massive 7.7 magnitude earthquake just rocked Myanmar, sending shockwaves across Southeast Asia. Can you believe it? People in Bangkok, Thailand, and India felt the ground shake beneath their feet. This quake was so powerful, it's got everyone talking. But here's the thing, earthquakes this big don't happen every day. Let's break down what this means for the region and why it's crucial to stay informed. From potential aftershocks to the importance of earthquake preparedness, this event is a wake-up call for all of us. The epicenter was 16 kilometers northwest of the city of Sagaing, and at a depth of 10 kilometers, the United States Geological Survey said there are no reports of casualties so far.